Good morning. In this video I have a new project for you guys. It's pretty exciting, I think. But before we get into the current development, I'm going to go ahead and roll the trailer for the demo.
Hello. Welcome to our time laboratories. Please help yourself to some donuts and get ready for testing. Your objective today is to activate each door in the room. You may begin. As you can see, your path from the previous run is recorded and replayed. You will have to plan out your path and use it to your advantage in order to finish the test.
So in case you're wondering why I said demo with the air quotes is because, well, it's not really a demo. That was just a project that me and 4 other people made for a game jam. It's not really much of anything. Me and a few other people on the team decided we liked the idea and we would like to pursue it further, and so currently we're working on a commercial version of this game. Pretty much the only way that that demo is representative of what the final project will be is in the concept, and that's it. Everything else is just... yeah. So far this project has been pretty challenging. We've been working on it for 3 or 4 months, and we already have quite a few complicated systems in there. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to be structuring videos around this project. I'm definitely not going to be doing like 6-7 minute plus long devlogs. It just takes up too much time, too much scripting. Even though there's a lot to cover, there's a ton to cover in this project. It's just too much time pulled away from actual development. The rest of the videos covering this project are going to be structured more like developer diaries / devlogs, so they'll be 1 to 3 minutes, something like that. I don't know exactly. But anyway, that's enough of that. Here's some of the stuff that we have going on right now. So we've added a few new mechanics that we think will work well with and complement the main trail mechanic. For instance, we built a whole custom gravity system. There's a lot of cool stuff in there, like custom joints that have buoyancy, custom gravity objects that basically allow it to have local gravity, and there's also global gravity. I think there's a lot of cool stuff in that system that you guys would enjoy, but that's for a later video. A while back I also made a very simple button system that is triggered by the trail itself, not the player. And then of course the portals. We're ironing out a few things here and there because it's kind of hard to make it work well with the gravity system, but that's being sorted out. And then we also have a few conceptual mechanics backlogged that we think will add interesting dynamics to some of the later puzzles in the game. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please drop a like, please. I'm a little guy, I'm a little channel, little itty bitty baby channel. Same with comment if you have any suggestions or if you just want to help me out with engagement and the algorithm. And if you want to see more of this content and more updates on this game, you have to subscribe. It's very unlikely that I'm going to get on your recommended page again if that's where you came from. And yeah, that's it. Have a good one. Bye.